Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Starbucks style caramel iced coffee. So let's begin. So in a glass or a cup I'm going to add a little bit of boiling water from the kettle, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of coffee, so I'm just going to mix this and then just pop this on the side. So I have a Starbucks cup to add some ice. I'm going to now drizzle some caramel sauce. A tablespoon of caramel syrup. So I'm going to add half a glass of milk, then pour over the coffee, then add the rest of the milk. Just give it a quick mix. And here we have our Starbucks style caramel iced coffee. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.